everybody. So whenever you are dealing with any of the data visualization tool or data exploration tool, right? So what are the basic things that you will be doing into that one? So I will categorize into three parts: connect, visualize and share. So what is connect? That means you are connecting to your data sources over there, maybe flat files or the databases where your data is stored over there in the tabular format maybe. You get access to that particular data set over there. The second thing that you do, that you visualize, you carry out your exploration over there, and the third thing that you do is basically you share that observations with the audiences, with the stakeholders over there. So now let's go ahead and try to see that how these three things we can do with the Tableau as such. Okay, the first thing here we will be just focusing on the first operation that is there, that is the connect. Okay, so that is the basic, very basic requirement, right? Without the data, how I can go ahead and carry out the data exploration activities on top of it. So now here, as we have talked earlier, right, lot of options are provided. You can connect to the static files, you can connect to the servers, right? If I expand on that particular tab over there, right here, so you can see a lot of options, those are coming up over there. So a lot of different types of data sources are supported. Okay, if you have appropriate setups over there, nobody can stop you from getting connected to those particular data sources over there. But for our demonstrations, right, let's get connected to a static file over there. So I'll go to this Microsoft Excel connection, and maybe I do have some data source that is available over there, and I will just try to import that particular data set into the Tableau desktop over there. So once that is done, right, what has happened, a connection has been established over there. You are seeing whatever that name of that particular data, that Excel spreadsheet was there, that has appeared over there. Its type is Microsoft Excel. And then that particular day, whatever Excel sheet was there, right, there were three sections into that one, three panels, tabs were there. So each one of them has been made available different separately here. So orders panel is there, people's panel is there, returns panel. So basically it's the same data source that comes with the default Tableau desktop version over there. So now this is basically global superstores data set. Okay, so you have the each of the order that is placed with that particular superstore has been captured, and the several attributes, several features gathered, those have been noted down for that particular order over there. Okay, so now those tabs, whatever those were present, those have appeared over here. Okay, and how I can start making utilization of those particular tabs over there. So I can go ahead and drag it here. Okay, so now that orders has come up over here. So now that table has come. Once I click on that one, maybe some sample records will appear over here. So let's see that it has imported that thing for me. Okay, so now what are the different things that you are seeing over there? So now this row ID is there, the hash symbol showcases that it's a numeric in nature. Okay, if you want to sort it, you can go ahead and use that sorting over there. Okay, ABC is there, that means the string type variable is present over there, a text variable is present over there. Order ID is there, from what day. So what you can do, right, why that orders is repeated with each column, you can go ahead and do the joins as well with the other tables, those are present over there. Okay, so just in order to make it clear, right, this column belongs to what table, so that table name is also appearing over there. The next column that is coming, right, this is the date time column, order date, so it has correctly identified and it's showcasing it with the calendar icon over there. Okay, similar to that one, some location related fields are also present over there, so it is intelligent enough to identify that particular stuff. That postal code is a geographical field, city, state, country, these are geographical fields, those are appeared, and a lot of other things also have come up over there. And also, right, it has been able to figure out that there are some majors are also appearing, right, so those hash are showcased over there. So sales, quantity, discount, all those things have been captured appropriately at the numeric columns over there. Apart from right, if when you hover over this particular column name, a drop down comes in there. Let's go ahead and see what that drop down help us to do over there. Okay, so you are seeing that a lot of options are present over there. So let's say sometime cryptic column names comes in over there, and you want to rename that particular column, you can go ahead and rename that one. Okay, if extra column has come, right, it doesn't have any significance in your exploration activity over there, maybe you can hide it at the data source level. Now we are looking at it at the data source level itself. Okay, so now whatever that Excel sheet I have imported here, so if I here itself I can make sure that whatever this particular column is appearing, it will not appear in my worksheets that I am going to derive out of this particular data source over there. Okay, I can create the calculated field here. Okay, those are at the data source level, so we can create those in the worksheet level as well. Okay, so these are the different things that you can go ahead and you can have a look at. Another thing that you can do here, right, maybe we can see. So now this order ID is there, right, it has some it's kind of an intelligent key. Okay, so a lot of things are concatenated together and this order ID is created over there. So you are seeing rs dash some number dash some alphanumeric things are coming up over there. So what this particular first thing is there, that is the distribution center that is present. Now maybe in certain analysis it will be helpful for me to go ahead and use that particular distribution center as one of my dimensions over there. Okay, so but now I need to have some way by which I can extract it out from the existing field. Okay, so now here if you have seen, there has come up an option split. Okay, so it has went ahead and it has figured out that whatever that intelligent order ID is there, right, whatever value those are coming into that particular field, right, those have been separated by the dash. Okay, and it has went ahead and it has separated that particular things into 4 columns because 4 different values are appearing over there. And so you can see split 1, split 2, split 3 and split 4 are coming up over there. So I can go ahead and I can rename that one. So let's say it's a DC and it is like a new column calculated field that has been created for me. Okay, so there are several things that you can do over there. Maybe other few data prep activities also can be done over there, but now they have come up with a separate data preparation tool. So it makes more sense that whatever this kind of operations, data processing, transformation operations that you want to carry out on your data sources, maybe you will do it on that data prep tool over there, and once it is ready for the analysis purposes, right, you can go ahead and take that into your Tableau desktop and start your data explorations over there. Thank you.